I'm videotaping you. It's on videotape. Okay. Get on in there. Nice. So here we are getting closer to the corn chopper, and the semis are getting loaded. So there they are. It's got this really nice arm that swings around, and the semis get loaded on the run. So the semis hold 15 ton of corn, and the corn chopper can chop 166 ton of corn in 1 hour.
Made me laugh last night. Slow down or speed up a little bit. Slow down. Slow down.
Another view of the corn chopper, and it has its arm swung around the back, and the semi is directly behind it. And yeah, it's pretty interesting watching that. The corn has gotten 8 to 9 feet tall. Here the tractors are packing the corn silage into one mound, so we don't cover it with plastic. It makes its own protective layer. And so we have, okay, now here comes the semi, one of them, and they're gonna unload. And then the tractor with the plow on it will move the silage onto the pile. There are chains inside the trucks that push the silage out. We are halfway through cutting our corn, and we'll continue to keep putting the corn silage on top of this mound, so there will only be one mound. Raising corn is a good choice if you can do it. It outdoes alfalfa by a considerable amount. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications of more videos.